Hi everyone, it's Parisa here from Ignite Your Website. Today I'm going to talk about an awesome new feature that dropped for Elementor called Finder. All right, so many of you who work with WordPress probably realize how frustrating it can be to navigate from a page to a dashboard, to settings, back to a page, or to a post, back to the dashboard, in and out, time and time again. What Elementor did here is introduce a feature that lets you, seamlessly jump between different settings and areas of content, as well as create new ones. All right, so let me just kind of gloss over some of the basics. So Finder lets you switch between pages, but it lets you do more than that. It lets you switch between, different settings and Elementor-based parts of your site, which is really cool. Finder is pretty powerful. If you're a developer, you can actually go ahead and customize the shortcuts and extend it in that capacity, so that's pretty awesome. Let's see, let's make sure I don't miss anything. So yeah, you can definitely use it to create pages and posts, but there's quite a bit more you can do. All right, let's show you how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead to my dummy site here, and I'm gonna hit, let's see, Control and E, or Command and E if you're on Mac. Boom, we get this awesome window called Finder, and it says type to find anything in Elementor. Okay, so what do we wanna do? Let's say we want to create a new page. So I'm going to type new page, boom, create, add new page. Okay, let's see that. And it's already spinning up the Elementor setting. All right, so here's our new page, and we can actually go ahead and drag our elements and pretend we're doing all that. Let's say we love that, but we forgot where Finder is, and we forgot its shortcut, which is, again, Control E on PC, Command E on Mac. There's another place to activate it. So in your settings here in this menu, there's also Go To and then Finder. Let's say we brought that up and we wanted to create a new post. I'm going to type post, here are options, add new post. All right, boom, let's do that. All right, so now we're in a post. Now there's a couple things that, the ease of doing this also kind of makes it challenging in only one capacity, and that's that, these are all going to have dummy titles and names and URLs and things of that sort. So once you create them, you can edit it, but still, I think there's just something immensely powerful in being able to seamlessly jump to different parts of your WordPress backend and to different Elementor features, which is revolutionary and awesome. I'm going to just show you again. So if you want to go into settings, for example, you could do that as well. Typing settings brings up the following options. If you want to just see what else there is, I actually hit enter and it kind of shows me, some of the latest content to edit. But then you can also go into templates, system info, role manager, the knowledge base. If you're, stuck on anything, that's a great place to go. You can actually go ahead and go into your integrations as well, custom fonts and things of that sort, and then, some of the tools. So pretty powerful stuff. And really, really forward-thinking in terms of user experience. I've been using Elementor for about 1.5 years, back when I think the users were like tens of thousands, and now they're well over 1 million, and I'm honestly not surprised. I thought we had it good when they brought the Navigator, which I'll do in another video, which lets you navigate between, different parts of your page. But this is like Navigator on steroids. It's going to change my life, and I highly recommend checking it out. All right, thank you for your time, and please stay tuned for a lot more on Elementor and just web design in general. All right, take care.